Hello guys, I'm Riza Lasatin from BSED1 Math. This is my activity number 1 in Part P21. NEUST mission to develop new knowledge and technology and transform human resources into productive citizenry to bring about development impact to local and international communities. NEUST vision. NEUST is a locally responsive and internationally relevant and recognized university of science and technology.